National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hennepin County, southeastern Onondaga County, northern Ramsey County until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Brooklyn Park, or 10 miles north of Minneapolis, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shoreview around 8:30 p.m. Blaine, Lino Lakes, and Ham Lake around 8:35 p.m. Hugo around 8:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Forest Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.